64, 72, 70. These three numbers tell the story. 64% of legal consumers will only contact one attorney. 72% of attorney seekers hire the first attorney they make contact with. More than 70% of people using the internet to search for an attorney are looking for information about the attorney that's not on their website. Let me tell you what that means to you. Gone are the days when attorneys simply practice law and could attract new clients from word of mouth or community involvement. But that is no longer sufficient. Technology has altered how consumers find an attorney, and they may research you without ever talking with you one-on-one. You have an increased number of competitors, and successfully marketing your firm in today's landscape is challenging. I bet you have a website that highlights your strengths, tells your history, your successes, and how much you fight for your clients. You augment your website with online listings like YP, Yelp, or paid ads. You may have legal directories like Avo, lawyers.com, and of course, you still encourage word-of-mouth advertising. Then we have this new space called social media that nobody really understands. The goal is to have prospective clients find you online, and when the stars align, that happens. A prospect does a Google search and contacts you. But the online world is becoming increasingly fragmented, and more than you would like, clients fall out of the loop before they even contact you. They may find you on a legal directory or online listing, but the information doesn't match their needs, so they never see your website. Or they see something on a social media site or review site that negatively influences them, again, not taking them to your website. Meanwhile, your competition is doing the same online tactics as you, making it harder to differentiate your firm from others. If everyone's the same, the client may question your value, making it easier for the competition to get the business instead of you. One of your reactions may be to invest more into advertising. By expanding your channels, you might be generating more quantity of leads, but they're not usually quality leads. Using unconnected marketing tactics may drive leads, but you can't control whether they meet your firm's expertise or not, leaving you to spend more time dealing with cases you don't want. Despite a growing amount of your time and energy, you start to question, is this marketing really working? In the end, all these marketing tactics tie your business to less desirable cases, which costs your firm time and money, while at the same time missing out on prime clients or other growth opportunities because you're consumed with helping clients who are not a fit for your services. The reality is you don't have a marketing problem. It's a strategic client development problem, or how you connect with your ideal prospects. By approaching this challenge, you can be more strategic about identifying your potential market and connecting with your ideal prospects. When you pull your various communication channels into a single unified program, you'll engage with prospective clients no matter how they interact with your firm online, so they don't drop out of the loop. You'll also stand out in a more crowded market, so your prospects can better understand what separates you from the competition. This strategic approach means you will save time because you'll be dealing with qualified prospects. You'll be able to track and measure the success of each channel, eliminating uncertainty. And finally, because you'll be appealing to the ideal client, you'll be able to increase billable hours, therefore increasing revenue and profits. That's what I'd like to talk to you more about. Jason Harris, Senior Legal Marketing Consultant, Findlaw/Super Lawyers, serving Southeast Michigan and Northwest Ohio. Thomson Reuters, The Answer Company. Phone 734-678-5170. Fax 855-286-0216. jason.harris@tr.com. lawyermarketing.com. Join me on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+. Find Law, Super Lawyers, Thomson Reuters.